So, as predicted, the other shoe has dropped in regards to the Apple self-serve repair program. So for reference, these are the out-of-warranty screen repair prices from Apple directly. The iPhone 13 Pro Max, $329, an iPhone 12 for $279, and my last reference here, the iPhone SE 3rd generation at $129. And launched just this morning, the self-service repair store. New screen for an iPhone 13 Pro Max, $309.96. $20? Not even. $19. Seriously. How about the iPhone 12? Well, congratulations. You save a whopping $11.04. And 56 fucking cents for the iPhone SE. Okay, so yeah, there's a $30 credit if you ship the old part back. But seriously, not what we were hoping for. Program has just been announced, and I'm sure more details will come out soon, but so far, this is pretty bullshit.